Welcome, everyone, to G Fun Facts Online, your go-to source for the most intriguing stories from around the globe. Today, we're diving deep into a world that's literally melting away, revealing secrets that have been locked in ice for thousands of years. Imagine this. As our planet warms, ancient ice in the highest mountains and iciest corners of the Earth is surrendering its frozen treasures. This isn't science fiction. It's the incredible reality fueling a field called cryo-archaeology, or glacial archaeology. Scientists are in a thrilling race against time to rescue these remarkably preserved remnants of our past before they vanish forever. So, what exactly is cryo-archaeology? Think of it as studying time capsules made of ice. We're talking about human-made artifacts and even biological remains, perfectly preserved by glaciers, ice patches, and permafrost. These frozen vaults keep organic materials like wood, leather, textiles, and even human and animal tissue in pristine condition, things that would normally rot away anywhere else. The insights we gain are astounding, offering us an intimate peek into the daily lives, technologies, and movements of ancient peoples. It's like stepping directly into the past. The driving force behind this explosion of discoveries is, ironically, climate change. As glaciers shrink and permafrost thaws at an alarming rate, they expose artifacts that have been frozen for centuries, sometimes millennia. It's a double-edged sword, though. While the melt reveals these invaluable finds, it also exposes them to oxygen and temperature changes, leading to rapid decay. The Arctic, for example, is warming much faster than the rest of the world, putting an estimated 180,000 archaeological sites at risk. It's a genuine race against the clock. And the discoveries? They are absolutely mind-blowing. Imagine perfectly preserved ancient clothing, like tunics and mittens, giving us a direct look at past fashion and textile skills. Leather shoes, wooden tools, even leftover food. It's like the people who used them just stepped away. We're finding tools and weapons too. Arrows, spears, skis, and parts of sleds that tell vivid stories of ancient hunting, travel, and how people adapted to brutally cold environments. Some arrowheads found in Norway were even made from river mussels that came from far away, hinting at extensive ancient trade networks. Lines of cairns, horse dung, and lost travel gear have even revealed ancient mountain passes used for trade and migration, like the incredible Lenbreen Pass in Norway. And of course, who could forget Ötzi the Iceman? This 5,300-year-old mummy, found in the Ötztal Alps in 1991, complete with his clothing and equipment, has taught us so much about Copper Age Europeans. Other human remains, though rarer, like Quande Dan Sinchi in British Columbia, Canada, and the remains of animals like pack horses, also offer vital clues. Let's talk about some hotspots. Norway's glacial ice patches, especially in regions like Uppland, are gold mines. The Lenbreen ice patch alone has yielded over 1,000 artifacts, a 1,700-year-old tunic, skis, horseshoes, even a wooden tinderbox, painting a picture of a busy mountain pass used extensively during the Viking Age. Just this past summer of 2024, rapid melt at Lenbreen revealed exceptionally well-preserved arrows, some just lying there on the ice. The Alps, beyond Ötzi, continue to surprise us with artifacts from prehistoric tools to Roman-era items. In North America, ice patches in the Yukon and the Rocky Mountains are giving up ancient hunting tools. Even the famed Chilkoot Trail from the Klondike Gold Rush is revealing artifacts as snow and ice retreat. And in Siberia, melting permafrost is uncovering not just ancient human burials, but also the remains of woolly mammoths. So how do scientists even find and study these things? It's a demanding job. They use predictive modeling, looking at historical routes and animal migration, remote sensing like LiDAR, and, crucially, they collaborate with local communities and indigenous groups who have traditional knowledge of the land. Fieldwork happens in remote, high-altitude areas, often with very short seasons. Once found, these organic artifacts are incredibly fragile. They need careful on-site first aid and then specialized conservation, like freeze-drying, to stop them from degrading. Radiocarbon dating tells us their age, and DNA studies, isotopic analysis, and material science unlock even deeper secrets. And of course, finding human remains brings up big ethical questions, requiring respectful treatment and consultation with descendant communities. Looting is also a serious concern at these remote, newly exposed sites. This wealth of information is directly threatened by the very forces revealing it. Many sites are disappearing fast. Once an artifact is exposed and starts to decay, the chance to recover it is lost forever. This urgency fuels international efforts, like the Secrets of the Ice program in Norway. What does all this ice teach us? It's rewriting human history. We're learning how ancient people adapted to and used harsh mountain environments. We're seeing tangible evidence of lost technologies and everyday objects. We're mapping ancient trade routes and migrations, sometimes over vast distances. We're even getting insights into past climates and potentially uncovering ancient DNA from humans, animals, and even pathogens that could teach us about evolution and disease. Looking ahead, the future of cryoarchaeology will likely involve even more advanced tech, remote sensing, AI for site prediction, and new analytical techniques. International collaboration will be key, and public engagement, maybe even citizen scientists like hikers reporting finds, will play a huge role. Apps and online platforms are already emerging to help with this. Cryoarchaeology is at a pivotal moment. As the ice retreats, it offers an extraordinary but fleeting chance to connect with a distant past that's startlingly well preserved. These aren't just old objects. They're stories of human resilience, ingenuity, and our long, intricate relationship with Earth's most extreme places. The challenge now is to recover and protect these invaluable chronicles before they melt away forever. That's all for today on Fun Facts Online. Join us next time for more fascinating insights into our world. Thanks for listening.